Now let's explore the Difiaba colour. When selecting your colour formula, it is very important to understand the tonalities, the levels and the numbering system. Here at Difiaba, we make this quite simple for you. Our colour swatch book will give you a guide to the Difiaba numbering system. So let's begin. All the information you need is inside the swatch book. So here we have the colour wheel, which explains all the tonalities. We have some information here on how to use the colour. And then as we open it up, we have all the colour families, which are labelled on the side. So we have the naturals, moving to the natural ash, through to the brunettes, and all the way over to the beige and the ultra lifts. On each tube of Difiaba colour, you will find the number series marked on your box of colour. We use the international number colour code for all of our levels. The first number on here represents the level. Difiaba comes in levels 1 to 11. The second number will represent the primary tone, and if there is a third number, this represents the secondary tone.